Welcome everyone. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to make peanut oil in the traditional way. Here I have my peanuts, which I've already cleaned behind the camera. So I add some to my cooking pot, then take to the heat and begin to toast. I'll toast them until the back start cracking. After toasting it for some time, I'll be checking on it to know if it is well toasted. So I'll take some of the peanut, squeeze with my hands. If the skin can come off from it easily, which means it's ready, then I'll remove from the heat, allow to cool before peeling it. So I'll transfer some of the toasted peanut to my tray, squeeze with my hands and peel the skin from it. So after peeling the skin from the peanut, this is what it looks like. So I'll transfer to a bowl. Another easier way or fast way of peeling peanuts is by using mortar. So add some of the peanut to my mortar and pan them gently. In this way, the skin comes up from it very easily. After pounding, transfer into a tray to winnow. After winnowing it, you can see how it looks like. So I just transfer to the other clean one. Then repeat the same process for the remaining ones. Once I'm done cleaning all the peanuts, I'll be transferring them to a blender and blend smoothly. I'll blend the peanut until it starts producing its oil. Remember, the smoother it is, the more oil it produces. But if you don't have a strong blender for this, you can also take to the commercial machine to blend. After blending our peanut and it becomes smooth, this is what it looks like. So we'll go ahead to the process of extracting our peanut oil from the peanut butter. So I'll start by adding little water to the peanut butter and begin to mash it. You can add lukewarm water to your peanut butter if it has stayed for many days. White cold water is used for the one that is just blended because it's still very warm. As you can see from this video, I'll be adding little water to it bit by bit and continue to mash. As I add water and mash together, it becomes thicker and begin to stick together. So I'll continue the process until it starts producing its oil. can see from this video, as I add water and mash together, the oil has started coming out. As you can see, the oil has started coming out, so I continue to match it until I get more oil from it. Folding through the middle so that the oil can gather at the middle for easy scooping. And now we have our peanut oil. The next thing I'll do is for me to scoop them into a cooking pan. Scooping this first oil from it, I add water to it once again and mash together so that I can get more oil from it. I'll repeat this process about 3 to 5 times to get much oil from it. Please also remember that you don't need to add much water to it so that the peanut dough doesn't get too soft. To get more oil from the peanut dough, I'll be needing a spatula. So I'll use my spatula to mash the peanuts around the bowl. As you can see, as I press with my spatula, it releases more oil. In this way, I can get more oil from the peanut butter. Collecting the peanut oil, we proceed to the next step of purifying the peanut oil. Take to the heat, add little water and begin to cook. Please do not throw away the remnant from the peanut butter. This is the main reason why I'm making this peanut oil. We'll be using this for making our kuli in our next video. Stir the peanut oil at interval and continue to cook. To know if the peanut oil is ready, the foam on top will gradually disappear and the water will stop seasoning. Then our peanut oil is ready. With this method of purification, it can last long at home. After purifying the peanut oil, store in an airtight container and don't forget to separate its residue from it with the help of a cheesecloth. Please, if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell as I have more great videos for you. Now that you have learned the traditional way of making peanut oil at home, please don't forget to like this video, comment and share this with your loved ones. And now we have our pure peanut oil. Thanks for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.